Hi everybody. I wanted to make a video to go along with this last tip because it's a little bit complicated via text. So this one's great if you're somebody who has multiple tabs. When I'm talking about tabs, I mean these up here. So you can see that I have a lot of tabs open, and if I want to flip between them, I'm going to use this Control Tab trick. Control Tab works for Macs and PCs. If you're on a Mac, it is Control Tab still, not Command Tab like usual. So what I'm going to do, you can see right now that I am on my fourth tab. So these are pinned up here, which is why they're so little. But I'm on tab 4 right now. If I want to go to the next tab and jump to the right, I'm going to hit Control, and then every time I hit tab, it's going to open a new tab to the right. If I want to go backwards and go back to the left, I'm going to hit Control Shift and then hit tab. And that's going to bring me back to the document I want. The last part is if you have a specific number. So like, let's say right now I told you I'm on the fourth tab, right? Let's say I wanted to go to, I don't know, the sixth tab, right? So this time I'm going to hit, if you're on a PC, Control 6. If you're on a Mac, this time it is Command. So Command 6, and that will take me to the 6th tab. If I want to go back to my Tech Tip Tuesday doc, which was on the 4th tab, I can hit Command 4, and now I'm back on that 4th tab. So you can jump around. Unfortunately, that does only work up to 8 tabs. After that, when you click Command or Control 9, it just takes you to the very last tab. So I'm going to go back to my 4th tab, and there we are. Hopefully that helped explain.